I'm with Em and Ben from The Block at their property at 18 Brighton Close, Mornington. Great location, but I need to ask you guys, are you addicted to renovating?
We are addicted. It's in our blood. We can't stop.
Tell me about this place. When you first walked into it, what did you love most?
Oh, when we first bought this place, it was red brick, a massive project ahead of us.
Well, what we liked about it, it's probably like the worst house on a great street. The backyard, the gardens, needed a lot of love.
We did a full site scrape, laid all the turf, did our lily pillies, and then we dropped a pool in. That was probably the biggest.
And built a deck off the back.
You've got side access to the shed.
Yep.
Have you got vehicles and stuff in there? What do you store in the shed?
The shed has everything that you could ever imagine in there. It's so big.
But it's got an electric gate that opens up and then the roller comes straight up so it's secure.
Have you used the pool? Have you got to enjoy the pool?
Yeah, we've used the pool a lot. It's been probably our favourite thing in this house.
Yeah, the pool's unreal. The spa's even better. The spa you can turn on whilst you're down at the pub from an app on your phone, and within 20 minutes it's heated and you can get back, jump in, with your beer.
And the rest of the pub.
Yeah,
That's bad.
whoever's
Yeah.
joined up.
Invite everybody back.
Yeah.
That's unreal. What internally is your favourite part?
I actually love the kitchen, living, dining. I think it's a really good space for entertaining. When we have all our mates over, we just open the back doors there and we can flow out onto the deck. But I think just this whole living space works really well.
We did move a wall over so we could extend that living area space.
Yep.
It's made all the difference.
Yeah, yeah.
It works really well and it doesn't make the front room any smaller, really. Now tell me about upstairs.
Upstairs is fully carpeted. We've got 4 bedrooms. We've got a beautiful master. It's huge, with a lovely walk-in wardrobe and a beautiful renovated ensuite. We've got a little sitting area. It's kind of like a second living up there, I guess.
A third living, I guess, if you consider
Oh yeah,
the two
true.
downstairs.
Yeah,
so-
third living.
which is great for maybe off the bedrooms, the kids just watching telly. So
Yeah, and then we've also got a beautiful little deck up there. You can sit up there and watch the morning sun.
Nice. And the colours that you chose, who chose the colours?
definitely not me. Have a guess.
Would you say it's more subtle than being on the block?
Yeah, I think our house on the block was very wild and out there. We were on the block, so we wanted to build a block house. Whereas this, we wanted, to appeal to the masses, I guess.
And probably last and stay stylish for many years to come, which I think this house will do.
Yeah.
But also, if somebody did want to add their own flair to it, it's very easy to add their own style to it.
Yes. Yeah, without having to do lots of hard renovation.
Yeah.
You can just,
Yeah.
with your furnishing, you can style it up. Yeah, awesome. And it's a great location, Summerfields Estate.
We've loved living in this whole estate here. It's beautiful. Walking down to the lake down the back, beautiful parks. Yeah, it's stunning.
And we're at an end of the court, or close, which doesn't get much through traffic apart from the couple of houses at the end here. Feels really safe and secure. With a nice little walk through to Racecourse Road there.
Yeah.
So if you do want to go and grab a coffee in the morning, it's just a quick cut through. So as far as streets go, it's a really nice end of it.
Did you ever think you didn't want to do it? Did you ever stop and go, what are we doing?
There was definitely a point in time when the backyard was completely scraped. The whole house was still very colourful, and Ben and I were just like, oh.
Or you were halfway up painting the brickwork.
Oh, it was so bad.
And then the Google Maps car came around the neighbourhood and was taking photos of it all. And
Don't look at the Google Maps too often.
Maps it.
It's so bad.
So there you have it, straight from the horse's mouth. Em and Ben, thank you for meeting with us. If you'd like the opportunity to buy a house that Em and Ben have done, now's your chance. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give me a call anytime, or come along to the VIP Open and come and meet these two guys. And Bailey, of course. Thanks, guys.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Appreciate it.